Hi there, awesome people. Here's my 2 to 3 minute vlog sharing how my day usually starts. As usual, I'm helping Liam prepare for school. And ang sweet-sweet niya nga dito kasi habang binobotones ko yung uniform niya, napansin niya yatang may tumutulong pawis sa akin or pinagpapawisan ako. Then bigla niyang pinunasan yung pawis. Thank you, my Blight. Ang sweet-sweet mo naman, anak. After helping him with his uniform, bumaba lang kami para i-prepare yung kanyang baon and then suotan siya ng sapatos. At ayan, ready na sila sa pagpasok sa school. Nakakatawa nga kasi ilang beses niya akong sinabihan ng mama kiss daw. Napakasweet talaga ng batang to. Pero sa totoo lang, moments like this reminds me that even on tiring days, motherhood is always worth it. And just like that, pabalik na ako ulit sa kwarto. Tahimik na ulit ang bahay. Kaya lang, naiwan yung mga kalat. Ang kwarto at syempre ako. Time to clean this mess left behind by my little tornadoes. Charot! So, alam niyo ba mga mommies and daddies, being a parent means learning to start your day early kahit sa totoo lang gusto mo pang mag-extend ng tulog. Iba kasi talaga yung feeling kapag maaga kang nagising, maaga mo nagawa yung mga routine mo, maagang natapos lahat talaga ng gawain. May peace at satisfaction na parang sinasabing, oh my gosh, ready na ako for today. Like that, kasi ganyan yung nararamdaman ko. And to be honest, that day, kagagaling ko lang sa trangkaso. Pero as a mom, you really have to be resilient. Kasi kahit pagod o may sakit, tuloy pa rin ang laban, tuloy pa rin ang pagiging ina. Yan kasi ang superpower natin. We bend, but we never break. Ayan, magtulak ka ng cabinet. Ginusto mo yan. Tapos, ayan, isa-isa ko lang binabalik yung mga gamit. And then, ayan, ready na ako sa pagmamap kasi need kong magmap. Map din pag may time. Charot! At oo nga pala, may mapapansin kayong parang familiar, which is yung bedsheet. Pero don't worry, awesome people, kasi nagpalit ako niyan kahapon, which is October 5. At kung ma-post ko man to, napalitan ko na ng bago yung bedsheet. And then after cleaning up, it's finally my me time. A quick shower, a simple skincare routine, a few quiet moments or minutes kasi kahit 5 minutes lang deserve natin yan. So ayun, some people, salamat sa panonood. I'll see you in my next mini vlog. Stay kind, stay grateful, and always remember, being a mom isn't about perfection. It's about showing up one morning at a time.